Hey, it's Doug here, Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2006 Suzuki SV650. This is Suzuki's mid-size standard sport motorcycle. Has the 645cc fuel-injected V-twin engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Has 8,729 miles on the odometer. This bike runs very well, has some nice add-ons, aftermarket fly screen, frame sliders, Two Brothers exhaust. Sounds great with the V-twin rumble, Two Brothers exhaust, Corbin saddles, front and rear, aftermarket rear shock, adjustable, nice upright seating position, and priced right at only $31.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.